I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an application question on addition and subtraction formula. Question here is solve for x where x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2 pi, and we are given an equation tan 3x minus tan x equals to 3 plus 3 times tan 3x tan x. So to solve this, what we can do is we can rewrite the equation and factor 3 from the right side. So we get tan 3x minus tan x equals to 3 times 1 plus tan 3x tan x. Now we can divide by 1 plus tan 3x tan x to get the form tan 3x minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan 3x tan x equals to 3. Now the left side here is tan a minus b, correct? So we could write this as tan of 3x minus x equals to 3, or tan of 2x equals to, let me write like this, equals to 3. So we get tan 2x equals to 3, right? Now we need to find what value will give us 3 for tan 2x. So we can solve for it. Now remember one more thing, that is we are given a domain 0 to 2 pi. So let's work on the domain. We are saying x is greater than equal to 0 and is less than equals to 2 pi. How about 2x? So 2x will be 2 times, right? So it is less than 4 pi but greater than 0, both values included. So that becomes the domain for 2x, correct? So we can use the calculator, and we know tan is positive. That means we are looking for values in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4. So let's first find what is tan inverse of 3. So shift tan inverse of 3 is equal to 1.2490. So let's find what 2x is. So 2x is equals to tan inverse of 3. So actually what we should do is we should find the acute angle, and then we can generalize the solution. Okay. So let me first calculate the angle alpha instead of 2x. Okay. So we'll just calculate one angle and then write other answers. So the first one is 1.249. Now that is only the first value, correct? We know there are many other values. Since now the interval for 2x is 4 pi, the other values should be, we have to add pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, right, up to, we can go up to 4 pi, right? That is what our answer is. So what we will get now here is, so the first value of 2x is 1.249. The other value will be 1.249 plus pi. So that's, we get the second value. Third value will be plus 2 pi, 1.249 plus 2 pi, and then we will have 1.249 plus 3 pi. So let me write all the values here. So then we'll have 1.249 plus 3 pi. So these are the four values which 2x can have, correct? So let's calculate these values and write down. So we have 1.249 plus pi, which is equals to 4.30. So we have possible values for 2x are, one is 1.2, let me say 25, let me round it, right? The other one is plus pi, which is 4.39, and then we'll add pi to this. So we get 7.53. I'm rounding to 2 decimal places, and then we will again add, so we have 7.53 plus pi. You could add 3.14 and also get rest of the answers, right? So we get 10.67. So these are the values which x could have, rather 2x could have, in the domain 0 to 4 pi. Now this is very critical for you to understand. If x is between 0 to 2 pi, then 2x will be between 0 to 4 pi. So we have these four options. And from here we can write what is x. So x is equals to half of these values, correct? So we just divide them by half. So 1.25 divided by 2 is 5 over 3, which is 0.625. The other angle is 4.39 divided by 2, so which will be 2.195. 7.53 divided by 2 will be 3.765, and then we have 10.67 divided by 2 equals to 5.335, right? So in radians we get these four solutions for the given question, right? I hope you understand and appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.